Can you please tell or talk about learning to use the mind instead the mind giving me difficulties? God has given us the eyes, and with the eyes I have to see. Eyes are instruments. Remember, the eyes are instruments to see. I will direct my eyes to see good. I will direct my eyes to see good, that's all, not to see negative things. Is it difficult? I'll see good. Because of past impression, past habit, or some imagination, oh, this thing is nice, I want to see this, I want to. This is the play of mind. Now, if you understood eyes are the instruments, I have to use it. Choice is mine. So also mind is the instrument. Mind is instrument. It is given to me. I will use it. I will close my eyes. I will put finger on the eyes and practice the technique, Jyoti Mudra. It is all in my hand. We have to teach our mind, no, my mind, you are my friend, you are my motor car, you are my tool, I need your help, you help me a lot. But this is the meditation class, be here, don't go anywhere. This is the work in the kitchen, be in the kitchen, not going anywhere. If you are cooking and your mind is somewhere, the food will be burnt. So, we have, it is really unfortunate, we do not teach our children from childhood how to take care of mind. This is the mind you have to take care of. Just like take care of your eyes, take care of your skin, take care of your teeth, take care of your body, take care of your health, take care of your mind. This take care of your mind is not taught, rather to make mind extrovert, to make mind restless, to make mind, troubled, we have been taught. So that is the problem.